Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Journey to Freedom, where we talk about our journey to achieving financial freedoms through e-commerce. So if that's something that you want to learn about and follow along, then make sure you subscribe to our channel. My name is Shishir.
My name is Namrata.
Welcome to our channel again. We're both a married couple. We've been working for about 8 to 10 years. We're regular working professionals, but our goal in life is not to work for the rest of our lives. We really enjoy our jobs, but we don't like the idea of spending our entire days with people who we don't necessarily like.
Yeah, we're in our early 30s and we don't want to grind through our life working jobs for the next 20 to 40 years.
Exactly. So our approach has been in the last few years, we've been trying to find alternatives to create income outside of our jobs. And we've tried different things like business ventures, investments, stock trading. And in late 2018 is when we started exploring the world of e-commerce. That's when we started learning more and more about the concept of drop shipping. We started initially experimenting with a platform called ClickFunnels. And that was where we started testing some new products, creating funnels for the product. And things didn't really work out in the beginning. They never do, because we were making spammy ads. We were creating websites that looked very untrustable. But we learned through many of those errors. And in late 2018 is when we created our first Shopify store. That's when we started gaining some traction through our store. In 2019, early 2019, that's when some of our products started kicking off. And in Q4, we had a very strong sales momentum because we had learned how to scale our products. In fact, in 2019, we were able to exceed $840,000 in sales throughout the year.
Yes, we couldn't believe we grew so quickly, and we were only hearing stories of others, and here the successes we were experiencing ourselves.
Exactly. So our effort now is to increase our margins going forward in 2020, because that's something we have to work on. But most importantly, we want to share the process with you, all of you who are looking to also create additional incomes through e-commerce and create freedom for yourself as well, because you're not going to see flashy cars and wild vacations on our channel. We're regular working people just like most of you, and we just want to share our journey. Hopefully that can help you also take steps in the right direction.
On our channel, you'll find lessons, that have costed us a lot, but can benefit you in some way. You'll learn from our successes. So it's a very, suitable proposition.
Exactly. So if you want to learn and have shared the goal of employment freedom, just like we have one, then subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bells, and look out for lots of good videos to come.
Bye.